Now this is part 3 of zone trading, and we're going to go back to the very same day that we had in part 1 and 2. And I want to just talk to you a little bit about why we advise using technical reasons for exiting a trade rather than a profit target. Now we mentioned in our previous video that we had approximately a 4-point spread, 3 to 4 point spread between the two bands. Okay? Now, if you had set up a profit target to short this, or shorting this high here with a profit target of, say, 3 or 4 points, okay, you would have left a lot on the table. Now, we're going to take a look at why, but here's the first thing you want to keep in mind, and the strategy knows what I'm going to tell you. If you were to look for an exit in here, the strategy would not give it to you. Why? Because you're out of bounds. You're beyond the outer zone. The strategy knows that when it does that, it will not take an exit trade because in all probability, the market will go lower. The next time you go through the lower band is here. Okay? You might have gotten an exit here before it actually went into the lower band. We'll check that out in just a minute. But the next time is down in here. All right? There you may have seen an exit. And of course, your best exit before the rally back up would have been right in here or right in here. So let's take a look at what happens. All right? Let's take a look at what happens in the strategy at around 10:20. Now, right in here at around 10:20, you've got nothing on any charts. Nothing here or here, 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 here. No group reversals. But between 10:31 to 10:34, now look at what you've got. You've got reversals going on chart 2, on chart 4. Those two charts, you have reversals. Let's take a close look at this. Here's chart 2. Now, as you know, our intent is try to get into the trade within the three ticks of the bottom of a move. You've got a very well-defined group reversal right in here at 10:33. So there would have been a much better exit at that point in time, as you can see. Take a look at the other chart. Okay, right in, whoops, pardon me, wrong time. All right, right in here. Nice reversal right in here. Magenta to green within a quarter of a point, 1 tick below, from the low. Nice entry there. Okay, so technical reason to exit much better than a profit target. Makes much more sense, and we advise that. So that trade had some tremendous profit potential for you. The short trade taking place right in here. Okay, so let's just say you're getting in somewhere around 92, riding it all the way down to 1080. My goodness. My goodness. 12-point move. 12-point move. That's not bad. Okay? Not bad at all. Oh, and if you think I'm joking about getting it at around 92, not at all. Take a look, friends. All right? You're riding this up with a little strength. You've got a reversal right in here above 92. You got another reversal again right in here above 92. There it is, plain as day. It's right there. 12-point move. So once again, let's just quickly review what we've learned. If we're going to use a zone trading approach, and it's a very good, very effective method of entering a trade as well as exit. Go to your zone charts, take a quick look, examine the overnight market, see where the volatility lies, and choose a certain tick bar interval that you're going to use for that day of trading. You can't really go wrong. Even if your best guess doesn't turn out to be as good as perhaps some other approach would have been, you will nevertheless still have success. So make the decision, choose a particular tick bar interval for the zone. That's number one. Number two, set it up in the strategy. Okay, go to the strategy, set it up. You know how to do that. Enter your zones. Determine if you're going to use a stochastic. Okay, so you've got your group reversals. Here's a stochastic potentially, as well as the zone. Now, number three, look for a technical reason to exit. Much better than a profit target, but if you're shy, profit target's okay. Oh, and by the way, and I forgot to mention, if you are just choosing to use a profit target, that's where you set it up. 4 points. Once you're in, it'll automatically exit for you based on where you set that profit target. Okay. Okay. All right, so now in our next video, we're going to go back to the strategy and talk a little bit about the use of the premium. And we're going to show you how we've incorporated that into the strategy. So this concludes our section on zone trading, and look for our next section on trading with the premium in our next video.